Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11. And I will show you exactly two methods how to do this. Alright, the first method is go to search bar and search for Windows Security and then open the Windows Security. Then from here click here on Virus and Threat Protection and then we go to Manage Settings. Then turn off the real-time protection, click here on Yes. And then turn off the other three, so like this. Now we click this away and this was the first method. Now we go to method 2 and now we go to the search bar, search for run, do enter and then write down regedit and click on OK. Now we click on yes and now you will see this setting just like this. From here we click on HKey local machine, then we click on the arrow on software, scroll down. And then we go to policies and then right here we click on Microsoft and then right here you have it, Windows Defender. Now we click on the right mouse click and we do new and then we go to the word value and now write down disable anti-spyware. Click on enter, click this away. And now you just disable Windows Defender on Windows 11 or 10.